myself Reena Patel for LJIT. Our subject is alternative fuel and power system in automobile brand. Today we discussion about this chapter number 10, other alternative fuel. Previous lecture we discussion about this other alternative fuel is eco-friendly plastic fuel. The basic definition of this EPF and this process, advantage and application of EPF. And today next topic is chapter number 10, other alternative fuel is introduction of this DME, means dimethyl ether. And this what is the process diagram, then advantage and application of DME fuel, dimethyl ether. Let me start. First we discussion about the DME, means what is dimethyl ether. You can see the diagram is basic chemical formula of CH3, OCH3. Okay, means carbon 2 part, hydrogen 6 part and oxygen 1 part. Okay, this is a basic chemical structure formula of DME. So first, dimethyl ether is the simplest ether. Ether is consisting of 2 methyl group, is bounded by central oxygen atoms as expressed by chemical formula of CH3OCH3. Means simplest ether group is 2 methyl group. Simplest ether consisting of 2 methyl group as central oxygen atom. The chemical formula of CH3OCH3 is known as dimethyl ether. Second point is DME is most commonly this produced from natural gas in replace of CFC. Means chlorofluorocarbon as an environmentally friendly and safe aerosol propellant. Third point is other potentially used as a dimethyl ether is including the substitute for other fuels in power generation and this household and in the future of this source of this hydrogen for fuel cell. Okay, the first point is dimethyl ether is simplest ether consisting of this 2 methyl group divided is central oxygen atom is expressed in chemical formula of CH3OCH3. Means most commonly produced the natural gas in replace of this CFC, means chlorofluorocarbon as an environmentally friendly as safe aerosol and propellant. Then other potentially used as a dimethyl ether is including this substitute this other fuel in power generation in household and in future is source of this hydrogen for a fuel cell. Okay, it is a known as simple definition what is a dimethyl ether. Second point is you can see the production diagram of dimethyl ether. So what is the simple process diagram of dimethyl ether? You can see the diagram. The first is feedstock of methane, oxygen, water and carbon dioxide. The heat is out and this power is compression and this cooling. You can convert this dimethyl ether, means the feedstock. Which type of feedstock? Methane, CH4. Then oxygen, O2. Then water, H2O and carbon dioxide, CO2. The synthetic gas means the hydrogen and carbon monoxide. Means synthetic gas like methane, water means you can this products and process type methanol, CH4 plus H2O. You can convert this carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The reforming reaction. Okay, you can convert. Then second chemical internal reforming this products and process methanol, CO plus 2H2 you can convert the methanol, CH3OL. Then this methanol is convert this 2 molecule of this methanol you can convert this dimethyl ether plus water. Means the chemical formula of CH3OCH3 plus water. You can see the simple process diagram of dimethyl ether. So first is which type of feedstock? methane, then oxygen, then water and carbon dioxide. With CH4 plus H2O, you can convert the synthetic gas. Which synthetic gas? Carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Then this carbon monoxide and hydrogen, the second chemical reaction, CO plus 2H2, you can convert the methanol, CH3OH, and the methanol is 2 molecular of this methanol. You can convert this DME, CH3O, CH3 plus water. Means the heat is out, then this power is compression, and then this after cooling you can convert this dimethyl ether. This is a simple production process diagram of dimethyl ether. The short form of is DME. Okay. Then another point is the production of dimethyl ether. Which step? The first point is conventional. Means DME production is used as a methanol dehydration method. Means the use of this methanol is dehydration method. Second point is for mass production of DME as a fuel. Other method is considered, and this main is one being DME is synthesized from this hydrogen and carbon monoxide gas. Is known as synthetic gas. Means the methane plus water, you can convert this internal reforming reaction as a production process of methanol. You can convert this synthetic gas. Which synthetic gas? Carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, means CO plus 2H2. Then second chemical reaction is CO plus 2H2. You can convert the CH3OH, methanol. So what is the DME is also can be produced as a reversible reaction of this methanol by combining two methanol molecules. Another third chemical reaction is to produce a DME molecule and water molecule. You can see the diagram, you can see the chemical reaction methanol. So you can convert the DME plus water, means 2 molecular of methanol, 2 CH3OH. You can convert the CH3O, CH3 plus water. The simple 4 step. First is chemical reaction, means Swiss industrial fish of methane plus water, CH4 plus H2O. You can this present as a catalyst. Okay. Then nickel catalyst, you can convert this carbon monoxide and hydrogen, CO plus 2H2, it is a part of synthetic gas. Then second chemical reaction is the same methane is reforming reaction in presence of catalyst, zinc oxide, copper, aluminum, is CO plus 2H2, you can convert this methane to CH3OH. Okay, this CO plus 2H2, you can convert the CH3OH. And the third step is the third chemical reaction, 2 molecules of methanol, 2 CH3OH, you can convert the DME plus water. This is the formula of DME, dimethyl ether, CH3O, CH3 plus H2O. This is a simple step of this production of dimethyl ether. Then next point is, what is the advantage of dimethyl ether? The first point is it is liquefied at minus 250 degrees Celsius, approximately 6 atmosphere, which is enabled to be stored as a transport just like of LPG. Okay. Second point is it is a higher Saturn than compared this more than number than this diesel, and hence this can be used as a diesel engine. Second point is the Saturn number is higher than this diesel, and hence can be used as a diesel fuel. Then it is a no sulfur content is part is provided. It does not this produce SOx emission, sulfur oxide emission. Means sulfur content is not present, it does not produce SOx emission. Second point, it is has no direct carbon to carbon bond. Means CH not present carbon to carbon bond. Means the formula of dimethyl ether is CH3O CH3. Has this lower chance of this soot formation. Another advantage of this dimethyl ether. Then it is the lowest catalyst reforming than this gasoline, as the making this better fuel for fuel cell vehicle. Okay. Then it is very low temperature. This kettle is reforming than this gasoline, making the better fuel for fuel cell vehicle. Then another point, it is decomposed as a atmosphere in several times of this hour. It does not do ozone layer depletion. Okay, it is another disadvantage of this dimethyl ether. Then another last topic is what is the disadvantage of dimethyl ether. First is low combustion enthalpy. Then second point is low viscosity. Then also the low boiling point. Then leakage. Then also the low lubricity. Then also the long injection period. It is a disadvantage of dimethyl ether. First is low combustion enthalpy, then low viscosity, low boiling point, and leakage, low lubricity, and also the low injection speed. It is a disadvantage of dimethyl ether. Then also the sealing material, another disadvantage of dimethyl ether. Then last point is what is the application of this dimethyl ether. The first point is it is a use as a freeze, this refrigerant. Then second point is a blowing agent for foam. It is a use as a blowing agent for foam. Then also the propellant for aerosol product. Then also the solvent for as a chemical application, is used as a solvent as a for chemical application. Then also the extraction agent. Then last chemical reaction is medium. Okay, this is the application of this dimethyl ether. First is used as a freeze, this refrigerator. Then this blowing agent for foam, as a propellant for aerosol product, as a solvent for chemical application, then extraction agent, then also the chemically reaction medium. It is application of this dimethyl ether. Today we discuss about this other alternative fuel. The first topic is what is a DME, means what is a dimethyl ether. Then this what is the process diagram of this DME. Then another point is what is the advantage and disadvantage and application of this dimethyl ether. Also the fuel for another application is fuel for welding, cutting and brazing. Then multi-purpose of this as a fuel for vehicle. Okay, it is another application of this dimethyl ether. Thank you.